Our first speaker in this session is Arno Vagelis. He is the project manager at V.L.T. Limited. He's going to be discussing the integration of HP's 3D printed molded fibre tooling into V.L.T's production processes. He's going to be talking about how that technology enhances their efficiency, strengthens their customer relations, and supports their environmental sustainability by reducing carbon emissions. So, Arno, over to you.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So my name is Arno, and today I'm going to talk about the MK Plus egg tray produced using HP 3D printed molds. So I think I can start my presentation. So what is V.L.T? So the V.L.T is a small-based company in the Baltic states, which was established in 1992. In 1998, we have begun producing 10 egg cartons and 30 egg transport pallets. By 2005, we have already become the largest producer of paper packaging in the Baltic states. So we are specializing in environmentally friendly and biodegradable solutions. So we are transforming recycled paper into high-end quality product. And currently we are producing over 50 million pieces per year, employing up to 45 people in our company. And our production is exported into various international markets. And the topic about sustainability, as we are the only paper producing company in the Baltic states, it's crucial to be aware of the circular economy and sustainability practices. So recycling paper saves 70% of the energy compared to using raw materials or just wood. And it helps to preserve forests from cutting it out. So 1 ton of recycled paper saves around 17 trees. So we are committed for the greener future. So we are using the recycled paper just to make the next generation of paper tools. So how the collaboration with HP has been started. So in July 2023, we get in touch with the HP company. So we were just looking for the new molds for the MK Plus, like the big thing that you can see here. This is like a transport pallet, which where you can put the eggs and transport it from the point A to B. And HP fully agreed and sent us like a new 3D printed mold, which we saw for the first time, that you can print 3D print molds that you can use in the paper industry. And we mounted to the machine and started to produce the MK Plus mold. We gathered some information and we liked what we see. So by the end of November 2023, HP made us like the full machine, 4 full rings with 8 pieces of mold to be able to load full machine and make the already full MK Pluses with the 3D printed molds. And we like what we saw, we like the quality of the product, and we gathered some information because they needed to be made some adjustments for the forms just to get the best results from them. And in the October 2024, HP sent us already full machine of new 8 forms, which are perfect in our conditions, and we can start using it in our daily usage and make the MK Plus transport form. So about the statistics, we are not making the MK Pluses daily, But throughout the December of 2023 until the September 2024, we have made 1 million plus egg trays with the MK Plus mold. So the benefits from the clients for the new MK Plus product. So the customer said to us that the new MK Plus is more durable and can withstand the weight of eggs. So it is not damaging the product, and you can easily transport the eggs from point A to point B. We can stack up more units in one parcel, so the client receives more product by product delivery. And the new MK Plus easily separates from each other because we put the ready product in one parcel, we compress them, and the client puts in the special machine. You can put eggs in, and it separates the MK Plus easily one from each other, and then the machine can do the rest thing. And in the end, customer regained trust in the product, so they can carry eggs from point A to point B without any worries, and with good taking care of the product. So there's the three benefits that as I said, that's from the new MK Pluses. The first one is the visual quality and visual quality of the product. There's smoother surface, greater finishing in the product, cleaner edges, crispier engravings, and the product is much squarer thanks to the mold geometry compensation. As I said previously, there can be more products stacked per pile. There's plus 30, plus 40%. It's like 130, 140 pieces in the pile. And the weight per trail has been reduced slightly, like -2 grams in average by the piece, which equals to 900 to 1,000 kilograms of carbon footprint in the MK production of a full year. And the best thing is that the new 3D printed molds are much lighter and more durable, because the old forms from the MK Plus was made from pure metal, and it weighed like 30 kilograms. But for now, the new 3D printed mold, which is the next generation, weighs only 5 kilograms. So it's more easier to get the machine operator to take them off, do the basic maintenance, clean them, and put back on to the machinery, so they can do it with less effort, but they can do a lot of more things in the end of the day, because they have a good quality product which is made from HP, and they can just see the production line, not focus on the tools, because they're not cracking, they're durable, and they're doing the job correctly. And in the end, the business outcome from the 3D printed molds is that, as I said, it improved quality and durability. We have gained more customers because the MK Plus is visually attractive, and they're pretty durable and perfect. Then we were able to speed up the production speed from 58 pieces per minute up to 62 pieces per minute. That's good for us, so we can make like more of a product. We have increased sales and demand for this product. As I said before, renewed trust in MK Plus from old partners. So the basic thing that we have gained trust is that the old product wasn't that good, but we have achieved the goal that we have put on when we ordered the new MK Plus forms, to get the best results from them and to regain the trust in our clients, just to be perfect and durable throughout the time when we are producing them. And in the end, we have reduced carbon footprint from shipping. As I said, as more units can be packed in the truck, so it can be shipped a lot of units in one time. So we are saving at least 400 kilograms of CO2 emissions by one truck of the full delivery of the MK Pluses, because we can send to client more product in less machines of transporting. So that is it from my side. Thank you for your attention. I'm pleased to answer some questions from your side if you have any.
Thank you very much. I have a question on the. So the old tool weighed 30 kilograms. The
That's
new tool
correct.
is only 5 kilos. So could you downsize the machine at some point as well, or does the machine need to? Because that would then reduce the amount of energy used in the actual stamping process.
No. The machine stays the same all the time, but the old transport forms just were made from pure metal, and as I said, we can speed up the production process because the old tools were heavier and the machine couldn't rotate as fast as now. So the machine stayed the same, but the tools helped us to speed up the production process.
So it improves the throughput,
Yeah.
but with the same
Yeah.
same equipment.
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay, perfect. Any questions from the audience before we move on, or you can grab him when he comes off stage? No. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.